Join SL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Railways say they are doing work with state government approval with permissions including from forest and work will go on. Locals say work illegal. BJP State President Sadanand Tanwade said it was a good 4-day assembly session as people's issues were discussed. Says government is working for betterment of Goans. Vasco Sports Club beat Churchill Brothers Football Club 2-0 in a thrilling encounter at Dhulair. And now for the news in detail. The state government and local authorities are very much in the know about the permissions for the railway work, says officials after a meeting held at Girdoli on Saturday. And all the permissions, including from the forest, have been obtained, they insist, as they say that work would continue. Here are the details.
Railway officials, Girdoli MLAs and Panchayat body held a meeting on Saturday. The locals have been opposing this work, and there have been local MLAs insisting that they are with the people. However, the question here is whether a central body can do any work in the state without local government support and permissions. Here's what the railway official said.
There is some misunderstanding about construction of the railway platform there in Chandor station. There was a construction which was carried out with the help of retaining wall in order to reduce the number of land, the length of land which is required for making the station. So in the process of construction there are some blockage to the river waters, the water body. So yesterday an issue was raised. So we have promised them we will talk to the Panchayat today. Until such time we talk to the Panchayat and clarify all these points, we will call off work. So that's why we are having today.
Today WRD official inspected the place and they said you are not taken any permission from them. Other side you have taken, but this side you have not taken.
Okay. See, as far as those things are concerned, I have clarified earlier also during my remarks that any state government who is giving us permission to do the work, see, there may be specific permission, no specific permission, but they are all a party to agreeing us to do the work there. So that we will sort it out. Every tree that we cut, we took permission from the forest department. Yes, that is as of now.
On the other hand, locals say that they will not allow railway authorities to carry on their work as it is illegal. Locals say the railway authorities have not taken permission from anyone. The meeting started at 12 noon and went on till 3 p.m.
That you actually people feel that you are a very important person in railways, and as far as I know you are not an employee of the railways. Correct me if I am mistaken. You are not an employee of the railways, and you will not be able to solve the problems, question what people have asked. And since you said I still respect your past, my suggestion is you should leave the job, because railways is going to face problem because of conflict with the people. It's a humble request. It's you say brotherly or with sincerity, you should leave that job. in the interest of the people of Goa.
You have one of the known documents. You have no CRZ permission. You have no WRD permission. You have no TCP permission. You have no land document. Yet you are encroaching in our lands. Now I want to know under what section you have acquired this land. We started in 2008. First we started under the Land Revenue Code. Then you start under the Right to Fair Compensation Act. And now you come and use the Railway Act. How is this laws amending to? Now you all are government. Is the government biggest violator of law? We should be the violator of law, not government.
लोक आपल्याची कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी करतलेच ही आमकां 100% खात्री आसा आनी आयज जे भशेन सरकार लोकांक सांगता की आमी कायदे मोडटले आनी तुमी जाय ते करात हे एक भशेन सरकार सांगता की लोकांक एक सांगता की तुमी तुमची कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी करात लोकांक आमकां मेसेज दिता की तुमी भायर सरात आनी जी इलिगॅलिटी चालू आसा ते तुमी बंद करात हे आमकां आयज क्लियर मेसेज मेळ्ळा.
They are doing their own work, and Mr. John wants to say that they mark the plants, trees, and then cut. Mr. Sahu is the witness. 3 times I stopped them of cutting. 3 times. And one time there was a contractor supplying mark to the railways. He cut one tree of mine and I made a complaint in the police. When the fellow came, where it is, I don't know what his, he is assistant inspector or whatever it is, he just gave him bad words. Accepted from him, he told me, accepted from him 500 rupees and gone. My tree also he ate.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Girdoli.
It was a good assembly session. During the 4-day-long assembly session, people's issues were discussed and people got a clear image of the issues they were facing. This government is working for the betterment of Goa and Goans, BJP State President Sadanand Tanwade said on Saturday.
It was a 4-day-long running assembly session which ended at early 2:22 a.m. on Saturday morning. Issues such as coal, 3 linear projects, double tracking, mole, education, tourism and more were highlights of the assembly. Speaking to Goa 365, the state BJP President Sadanand Tanwade congratulated the Chief Minister and all the MLAs for conducting the House session smoothly.
The assembly कशा की सरकारान बऱ्या तरेन हँडल केलें मुख्यमंत्र्यान आनी बाकीच्या हांच्यांनी पण एज ऑपोजिशन म्हणून थोडेशे कशें आसता की ते थोडे एक्स्ट्रा स्मार्ट जे दाखोवपाक जाय तर तांकां दिसता ती एक संदी आसता ताका लागून थोडे जाण एखादी बरोबर कितें आसत जाल्यार उलोवपाक हरकत नासता पण तेच विशय रिपिटेडली परत तेच विशयाचेर तेंच्यांनी उलोवप आनी थोडीशी प्रसिद्धी मेळोवपाक घेवपाक लागून थोड्यांचे प्रयत्न आसता आनी त्यामुळे तो करतात तातूंत कांय एज ऑपोजिशन म्हणून तेंच्यांनी करपच आसता ते त्यामुळे ते करतात.
जे ऑपोजिशनान टिका केल्या त्याच्यावर एक रिप्लाय म्हणून तुमच्या पार्टीच्या कार्यकर्त्याला एक सुकुरचे सरपंच संदीप कार्तिक जयंतीने रिप्लाय दिलेला आसा.
म्हाका दिसता की कारण कशें आसता की जेंच्यांनी हांवें आतां आयकतालो रिप्लाय तांचो कारण त्यांनी ज्या तरेन तांचेर वैयक्तीक उलयले तें उलोवं जायना कारण वैयक्तीक राजकारणा भितर राजकारणी वेगळें आसूं जाय आनी वैयक्तीक रित्या एखाद्याचेर आरोप करप चुकीचो आसा कारण कार्तिक कुडणेकर हो आज जिल्हा पंचायतीचो सदस्य म्हणून निवडून आयला आनी उत्तर गोवा जिल्हा पंचायतीचो तो आजचो अध्यक्ष आसा. सामान्य कुटुंबातलो मनीस आनी ताका लागून एखादो जर सामान्य कुटुंबातलो जर वयर सरता आसत आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीन ताका बऱ्या तरेन समर्थन करून आज त्याचे सगळ्यांच्या सहमतान तो आज जिल्हा पंचायतीचो अध्यक्ष आसा आनी त्यामुळे त्याच्या खुर्चेक रिस्पेक्ट दवरून तेंच्यांनी उलोवं जाय त्यामुळे उगीच क्रिटिसिजम करून तेतून कांय अर्थ नासता. आनी ताका उपमा पयलीं कार्तिक कुडणेकरान ताका कांय म्हणूं ना तेणेन कार्तिक कुडणेकराक जर एखादी गोश्ट उलयता आसत वॉशिंग मशीन आनी खंयचें जर म्हणटा आसत जाल्यार तें चुकीचें आसा कारण त्या वॉशिंग मशिनान तो येवन गेल्लो न्ही हाच्या पयलीं. सुगूर सरपंचान कशें जाता की सुगूर सरपंच आसत आमचे बाकीचे थंयचे जे पंचायत मंडळ आसा हे मंडळ ज्या वेळाचेर ताका समर्थन करतले त्या वेळार ते बरें आनी आज ते वायट अशें जावंक शकना न्ही कारण ते थंय ग्रावंडार निवडून आयिल्ले आसात तांकां थंय त्या भागांत तेंचो रिस्पेक्ट आसा म्हणून ते लोक तांकां निवडून हाडटात थंय. एखादो पंच ज्या वेळार निवडून येता तो स्वताच्या कॅपॅसिटीचेर निवडून येता. एखादो आमदार सांगता म्हणून तो निवडून येना न्ही.
It's William Rodriguez for God 365 in Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. War of words between Porvorim MLA Rohan Kaunte and Sukur Panchayat gets hotter and more bitter day by day. On Friday, Panchayat officials accused Rohan of sidelining the Panchayat just because they are BJP workers. Here's more.
Panchayat members along with the Sarpanch raised their voice against their MLA Rohan Kaunte. They said that when Rohan was a minister in the BJP government, he was supporting the Panchayat. But now that he is no longer as a minister, he is calling the Sukur Panchayat garbage. Watch their argument.
काही अडचणी खातीर जे गांवचे लोक काही अडचणी खातीर गव्हर्मेंटा पर्यंत पावना, जे गव्हर्मेंटा पर्यंत नंबर गावना, तांकां भरपूर जी अडचणी आहा पंचायती पर्यंत पावना. आयज भारतीय जनता पक्ष तांच्या फाटल्यान आसतले आनी आसा हेच्या फुडें आसतले. हांव सीएमाक रिक्वेस्ट करता की त्या लोकांक जे जे हितून स्किमीनी जे जे अडचणींनी तांकां काही मदत करूंक जाता तशी मदत करपाची सीएमा कडेन हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता, कळकळीची रिक्वेस्ट करता. जे इलिगली म्हणटा ते इलिगली ते चालू ताजे तोंडान. आयज तेणी फक्त ते प्रेस घेवन इल्लेसा प्रेस घेवन हांव न्हू ते प्रेस घेवन कितें करपाचें आनी कितें धरपाचें ते खातीर ते इल्लेसा प्रेस घेवन गव्हर्मेंटाच्या एगेन्स्ट उलयता. अरे बाबा हो गव्हर्मेंट जी कामां करता कोविडाच्या टायमार भरपूर कामां केलेली आहा गव्हर्मेंटान, हे सीएमान भरपूर कामां केलेली आहा. आयज हांव ताका चॅलेंज करता. जे इलिगली म्हणटा न्हू इल्लिगली असं म्हणिता तो, हांव ताका चॅलेंज करता. इल्लिगली कितें आहा गांवाची घरां जी लोकांची आहा ती ताका एक घराक वचून ती नोटीस न्हू ती मोडून दाखोवची, हात लावन दाखोवची. आयज आमचो सरकार आहा, आयज म्हज्या वांगडा सरकार आहा, आमी सरकारा वांगडा आहा. हे गांवच्या लोकांक सांगता की आयज तुमी तेच्या वांगडा आहा, तुमकां त्यांनी फसयलेले आहा आनी भरपूर जे आहा तांकां सांगता तुमी बोकडे जावं नाका, बळीचे बोकडे ते आमी तुमच्या पर्यंत पावपाचें काम करतले. आयज तेणी सुकूर पंचायतीची आहा इल्लेसा म्हणटा की सुकूर पंचायत ही गार्बेज पंचायत, ही गार्बेज. हांव न्हू तेणी गार्बेज कित्याक म्हणटात म्हणजे ते तुज्या वांगडा जेन्ना जे टायमार तुमच्या वांगडा आसले जी पंचायतीन तुका साथ दिलो आयज हे जाग्यार पावलो तीच पंचायत आयज गार्बेज. म्हणजे तुज्या वांगडा रावता तेन्ना बरी पंचायत, तुज्या वांगडा रावता तेन्ना ते बरें आनी तुज्या वांगडा ना तेन्ना ते गार्बेज. आयज तुमी सगळ्यांक समजून घेवचें. आयज ताका आयज हे सुकूर पंचायत बाकीचे सगळे पंचायती आहा ते पंचायतीन बाकीच्यांनी लक्षांत घेवचें. फाल्यां तुमचें मातशें कितें तरी जालें तेजे कडेन जो पर्यंत वेव्हार जायना सामको तो पर्यंत मनशाक कांयच कळना. हो जो आमदार आहलो तेन्ना मिनिस्टर जाल्लो, जे सरकारान पांय पडून येयल्लो की आपूण आपल्या भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे ट्रस्ट आहा, आपूण आपले फेथ आहा, आपल्याक घेया, आमदाराचो मिनिस्टर केलो. आमचो मनोहर भाई लेट आयज आमच्या मदीं ना भाई, तेणी विश्वास धरून ताका एक वॉशिंग मशिनान घातलो. तो वॉशिंग मशीन म्हणटा येयल्लें आसा. हांव न्हू तेणी फॉरन मशीन हाडलां. ते फॉरन मशिनान तेणी खूब जाण घालून पयले पूण आसा तशेंच जाता. हे आमचे सुकूर पंचायत मेंबर वचून आहा तांकां सुद्दां तेणी त्या वॉशिंग मशिनान घातले, आपूण हाडलेले. पूण भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे वॉशिंग मशीन तो म्हणटा तेजे गजाली सांगता, तेजे उतर सांगता की ज्या वॉशिंग मशिनान ताका सुद्दां घालून पयलो, अडेच वर्सां पयलो ताका, पूण ताचो चिकोल वचना. आहा तो आपले रूप दाखयले शेड्या भशेन.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 in Panaji.
The Mormugao Municipal Council wants all to come forward and take advantage of the state government's one-time settlement scheme to clear its pending power and water bills. Here are the details.
The chief officer of the municipality, Agnella Fernandez, confirmed that many bills of the municipality have remained unpaid for around 20 years and that he intends to pay them, taking advantage of the government scheme. Watch.
खूब वर्स जाली पेंडींग आहा, म्हाका नियरली 20 years आसतली. आतां OTS स्कीम आयिल्ली आसा, तर म्हाजी एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा की चीफ ऑफिसरान एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरान तेजेर इंट्रस्ट घेवचो आनी ते OTS स्किमीच्या अंडर ते पेमेंट करचें. कित्याक तितले आतां जर केलें जाल्यार तें जावन पडटलें.
Department and government has come with a very nice scheme of one-time settlement scheme. So I am taking the benefit of this one-time settlement scheme and writing to them to waive off whatever they can do it, so that I can pay the dues regular on time. There has been some electric poles which have disappeared for last 10 years, 20 years, but the regular bills are coming every month. No one has gone to checking whether the electric pole is there or not. Similarly, there were public taps in the earlier years. So once the government has come with the water supply to each and every household, this has been stopped. At least 80% has been stopped, but the bills continue to come. It has been for the last 20 years, I can say. Some electric poles has just disappeared in this thing.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Vasco.
The Kala festival of Sri Chamundeshwari was celebrated at Vargaon Pilgaon in Bisholi on Friday night. A large number of devotees visited the temple on this occasion.
गोवा महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटक राज्यातल्या भक्तांचे श्रद्धास्थान असलेले पंचशताब्दी वर्षांचो इतिहास पूर्ण केलेला श्री चामुंडेश्वरी देवस्थानचो आज कालोत्सव मोठ्या उत्साहान संपन्न झालो. सकाळी पासून रात्रीपर्यंत हजारो भाविकांनी या ठिकाणी येऊन ओटी भरली गेली. तसेच सकाळी श्रींच्या अभिषेक मूर्तीचे अभिषेक झाले, कुंकुमार्चन झाले आणि जो उत्तर गोव्यातलो प्रसिद्ध असो नौका विहार हा मोठ्या दिमाखान साजरो केलो गेलो.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some news from the world of sport. First, Goa Pro Football. Vasco Sports Club managed to beat Churchill Brothers FC 2-0 in a thrilling encounter at Duler on Saturday. The first goal was scored in the 8th minute by Jokia Branches to give Vasco the lead.
It was the day 5 of the Selwell Goa Pro League played at the Duler Stadium in Mapsa. The Red Machine created beautiful chances but couldn't finish it. Moreover, in the second half of the match, Matthew Colasso, who entered as a substitute, increased the lead for the Port Towners in the 69th minute, which sealed the fate of the game. Watch out for Dempo Sports Club as they take on Cesar Football Academy on Monday live, only on Goa 365 from 3:30 p.m. onwards.
And that is almost curtains for this Churchill Brothers team. Beautifully chipped by Matthew Colasso into the goal. 2-0 to Vasco Sports Club. The headlines are ringing in the air. Vasco Sports Club 2, Churchill Brothers 0. Defending champions Churchill Brothers.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 in Duler.
Swami Vivekananda Higher Secondary School, Bali organized a marathon race. There the message went out that one should keep walking or running for 1 hour every day to keep oneself fit.
Swami Vivekananda Higher Secondary School, Bali organized a marathon race on Friday. The race began from the school premises and went up to the Bali Char Rasta via Shantadurga Temple and back to the school. Social worker Santosh Faldesai was the chief guest. He advised the students to keep themselves fit. Watch.
भरपूर हे जाल्ले त्रास जाले लोकांक थोड्यांक खूब त्रास जाले आनी ते त्रास न काडपाक तुमी फिटनेस उरपाक जाय बॉडी इम्युनिटी वाडयता जाय धांवपाक जाय एक्सरसायज करपाक जाय योगा करपाक जाय आनी हेतूंतल्यान तुमकां कितें तरी प्रॉफीट मेळटलें फायदो मेळटलो तर कांय केलें ना येता सकाळी उठले पोते मोबायल घेतलो तो पयलो कांय ना कांयच फायदो जायना सकाळी उठून कमीत कमी 1 वर करपाक जाय धांवपाक जाय हांव आज सकाळी 4 किलोमीटर चल्ला तरी म्हजी हें आसा 4 किलोमीटर सकाळी आज चल्ला मोबायलाचेर तकली फिटनेस दवरली आसा आनी हांव 4 किलोमीटर पळयता सकाळी उठून 4 किलोमीटर तेजे नंतर अर्दवर येवता म्हणल्यार बॉडी म्हाका दिसता म्हाका वेट बी जावन असो गेलो आसतलो.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Bali.
Now for the weather. Temperatures were normal over North Goa and South Goa districts, with the lowest minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius being recorded at Panji. Dry weather prevailed over the state, but there will be a gradual rise in minimum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius during the next 3 to 4 days over the district.
Weather is likely to be dry over the district during the next 5 days starting from 30th January. There are no weather warnings for the next 5 days starting from 30th January. The sky will be mainly clear with the possibility of light fog, haze in the early morning. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 34 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius respectively. Dry weather prevail over the state of Goa. No large change in minimum temperature over north and south districts. The lowest temperature of 21.0 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Weather is likely to be dry for next 5 days. Gradual rise in temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius during the next 3 to 4 days. No weather warnings for the next 5 days. Mainly clear sky with a possibility of light fog, haze during the early mornings. Maximum and minimum temperatures likely to be around 34 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius respectively. Goa 365 Bureau.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.